This short video will take you through what a requisition is and how and when to raise one on Agresso using Marketplace. A requisition is essentially an attempt to make a purchase for goods or services. Marketplace is an online purchasing system that works in a similar way to Amazon, but is specific to Anchor Hanover Group. Having made a purchase via Marketplace and upon financial approval of the requisition by the relevant cost code budget holder, Agresso will generate a purchase order with a purchase order number. The purchase order is automatically sent to the supplier and a copy is emailed to you, the requester, for your own information and records. There is no need to send purchase orders on to suppliers, as the system will do this for you. To raise a requisition using Marketplace, select Procurement from the menu on the left-hand side of the Agresso landing screen. Select Requisition Entry. The Requisition Entry screen will then be displayed. In the Requisitioner field, you will see that your name and payroll number have been automatically added. Your default cost center code and location code will automatically be displayed. However, these can be changed if you are ordering a purchase on behalf of a different cost center code or needing to deliver goods or services to another location address. To change the cost center code, either select the icon adjacent to the field and then type in the name of the cost center you are ordering on behalf of and click Search. Or if you know the cost center code, this can just be typed into the field on the main Requisitions entry screen. A list of the cost center codes can be found on HNet. The location code is related to where you would like the item delivered to or where the service is being delivered. For example, an order for some central office cleaning materials that need to be delivered to the Chippenham office would need to have the Anchor Hanover Chippenham office address selected. To change the location code, either select the icon adjacent to the field and then type in the name of the location you would like the order delivered to and click Search. Or, if you know the location code, this can be just typed into the field on the main Requisitions entry screen. To then make an order using Marketplace, click the Go to Anchor Hanover Marketplace button. You will then see a new tab open in your internet browser called Marketplace Home. You are then able to search for the product that you wish to purchase using the search bar. In this example, we will look to make a stationery order for A4 plain paper and some rulers. Enter A4 paper in the search field and click the search icon. A number of options for purchasing paper from our stationery supplier, Agresso, will be listed. In this case, we would like to order 2 boxes of 5 reams of budget white copier paper. In the quantity field, type 2 to indicate that you would like to order 2. You will notice that the price will change to display the total cost of purchasing 2 items. Then click Add to Basket. A green box will be displayed advising that you have successfully added these items to your basket, and your View Basket field at the top right-hand side of the screen will show you the total cost of the items that you have added. To then make the second order for 3 rulers, click back on the search field and type rulers, and then click the search icon. A number of options for purchasing rulers from our stationery supplier Agresso will be listed. In this case, we would like to order 3 of the standard rulers. In the quantity field, type 3 to indicate that you would like to order 3. You will notice that the price will change to display the total cost of purchasing 3 items. Then click Add to Basket. A green box will be displayed advising that you have successfully added these items to your basket, and your View Basket field at the top right-hand side of the screen will show the total cost of all of the items that you have added. To continue to process your order, you will then need to click on View Basket. Your shopping basket will then be displayed with all the items that you have ordered added. At this point, you are able to continue to make changes to your order to include deleting an item, selecting the tick box adjacent to the items you would like to delete, and then click the Delete Selected Items button. Amend the quantity of an item by clicking in the Order Quantity field of the item you would like to amend and deleting the quantity and then retyping in the amended quantity. Purchase further items from Marketplace by clicking the Continue Shopping button at the top right-hand side of the screen. Please note that this is the last time you'll be able to make any changes to these fields. If any amendments are made to your order on this screen, then you will need to ensure that you click Update Basket before continuing. Once you have clicked Update Basket, then you will note that the subtotal amount field will update to reflect the changes that you have made. Once you are happy with everything that you have ordered, click on Checkout. You will then be returned to Agresso. You will notice that the Requisitions Request screen is blank. To retrieve the orders from Marketplace, click on Retrieve Basket from Anchor Hanover Marketplace. You will then see all the orders that you have made in Marketplace transferred over to Agresso. You will notice that the delivery date field auto-populates, and this should not be changed. No other fields relating to the order, such as quantity or price, should be changed, as this could potentially impact your order being processed successfully. Please note that product codes will automatically have an indicator attached within Agresso as to whether that product is subject to VAT, and will therefore be automatically assigned. If you find that VAT settings are incorrect, this will need to be raised through the Ask IT portal. In the product text field, you are able to add any notes that you would like sent to the supplier by Agresso. This information will be displayed on the purchase order. To do this, select the line that the comment refers to. Then enter the comment. The workflow log field is not used within Anchor Hanover when raising a requisition, and therefore no comments should be added here at this time. This field is used during the authorizations and rejections process later on. Once you have checked that everything is correct, click Save. A pop-up box will be displayed that will provide the requisition number for the order. This will be a 9-digit code that will always start with 800. Agresso will then pass the requisition through the financial approval process, where the relevant approver based on the financial approval limits for your cost code will be emailed to advise that a requisition approval is waiting. For a copy of the financial approval limits, refer to HNet. You have now successfully raised a requisition on Agresso through Marketplace.